Okay, on the bench now is a little pressure washer, and I'm changing the carb. So this is the old carb, and it's not terrible or anything like that, but I'd rather change it than clean it. Then you know it's perfect, and that's what I'm looking for. So ordered a new one, not very much, probably like 15 bucks. And got a new gasket. Yeah, that looks good. I'd much rather have a brand new carb than a dirty old one. Just check that bottom nut. Make sure it's tight. And put it down on the table so I can get things ready here. See if I can hold that now. Get rid of that box. Get rid of that bag. So the old rubber seal, get rid of this carb. The old O-ring is actually still on the motor, so I'm gonna take that off and put a new one on. This one here. Get another hook. Got it. There's the old one. There's the new one. And it comes with a new gasket. Okay. And this is ready to go on. This was stuck for a bit, but it's loose now. So I'm just checking everything before I put it on. Okay. So I got everything pretty much ready to go. So I'll put it back up on the carburetor. And let's get this installed. So first, I've got the governor spring. Pretty tight fit. My new fuel line. That's good. Just changing bits. Okay, I use this nut driver. It's magnetic. It makes everything easier for me. Put that into position. Just get it started. There's no fuel in this one, by the way. That's why I don't have the full clamp. But if there was, this is the fuel clamp that I use, which is awesome. You just clamp it right on there like that. Boom. Super easy. Okay, let me just double check those nuts since I'm talking. And then you want to double check the operation of everything. Oh, it kind of sticks. Okay. Oh, I didn't put that underneath it. So I missed a step because this is a kind of an unusual carburetor. This has to be in this hole right there. That's your choke. No big deal. Okay, got choke and I got throttle. choke. Okay. Getting there. Change bits again. Gonna go to an 8 mil now. And this one. And start putting this thing back together. Hook up this hose first. Okay, and then 3 bolts. This plate here. Where does this go? Up here. It's been a while since I took this apart, so I'll put on new fuel filter. Fuel filter? I think that's an air filter actually. Put it on run, so it's ready to fire. Okay, that goes up there. Got 2 bolts left. That means we're in good shape. Get that front on. It kind of fits funny. Oh, I got it in the wrong hole. What's in this hole? Oh, that's just a bit tight. The bolt going in there. Choke's on. Got my spark plug. Just need fuel. For fuel, I'm in Canada, so I use Chevron 904, which has no ethanol. And that's what I tell all my customers to use. Don't need much. Okay. That away. That's going to go to the bottom of the carb right away. So I just put in my hand in here. Should be dry. All the hoses should be dry. Nothing. You don't want anything coming out of there. That's for sure. Put all my tools away. Let's fire this puppy up. Works great, I'd say. Well, that's one done. Next one. What's the next one gonna be? Oh. I'm not sure. A generator, I think. We'll see.